I'm Craig Calvin with Bentley's technical support team. Have you ever wanted the ability to keep track of and review changes made to your hydraulic model? The Connect Edition Update 1 release of WaterGems, WaterCAD, and Hammer introduces the new Change Tracking feature. This new feature allows you to track edits such as adding, modifying, deleting, and restoring model elements. It will also track the time the change was done and the user that made the edit. You can then review the tracked changes at a later time in a tabular format. Here is a model I've been working on. Notice that this version added a new Review tab to the ribbon. The small icon in the lower right corner of the Review section opens the Change Tracking Options dialog. In this dialog, you can specify the default change tracking behavior. When creating new hydraulic models, you can set the default change tracking behavior to Do Not Track, Prompt, or Track. Also, the default change tracking behavior for opening existing models that are not being tracked can be set to Always Prompt, Do Not Track, Prompt Once, or Track. I'll click OK. When change tracking is enabled, an icon will appear in the lower right corner of the application. Clicking on the top of the change tracking icon will open a dialog that allows you to view tracked changes. As you can see, this includes the time the change was made, the element's ID, type, and label, the type of change, such as modified, added, deleted, or restored, the context, such as general editing, the field that was edited, and the new value, the scenario that was active and the alternative that was changed. It also lists the user that made the change. Right-clicking on the column header allows you to sort, reapply the sort or filter, or select the column. Right-clicking on the row header allows you to zoom to the changed element. This dialog can be left open while editing the model, and then refreshed using the first icon on the upper left. The next icon allows you to copy a selection with or without headers. The filter dialog can be opened with the following icon. From here you can specify rules for how the data is displayed. If you turn on multiple filters, then the Where clause will combine the individual pieces into a single filter. For example, I'll filter the data to only show elements that were deleted within the last day. Once I click Apply, the Where clause is automatically populated with the filter string and the filter is applied to the data. The following icon allows you to select an element in the table and zoom to it in the drawing. The binoculars icon provides a quick and easy way to find text in the table. The Select and Drawing icon contains many options for modifying the selection. Clicking on the bottom of the Change Tracking icon will provide options to enable or disable track changes. If Lock Change Tracking is selected, then you can enter a password to prevent other users from turning off track changes. As you can see, this new feature makes it easy to keep track of what changes were made, when they were made, and who made them. Information on the change tracking feature and much more can be found in the Hydraulics and Hydrology section of Bentley Communities. Thank you for your time.